Good morning, El Paso County. I'm Joe Reagan, and for the last 20 years, I've served our nation and our community in the Army as a business leader in running nonprofits to advance policies that support my fellow veterans and working families. The Dobbs decision has shown us that we cannot rely on judicial precedent to protect our rights. Reactionary judges want to impose radical MAGA agenda across this country. Extremists have already overturned Roe v. Wade. They're not stopping there. They've banned abortion, IVF, and they're coming for contraception next. If they take power, emboldened by a MAGA-dominated Supreme Court, they will continue to erode the rights of women, of the LGBTQ plus community, minorities, organized labor, and individuals with disabilities. They want to take away your freedom to love who you want to love, to read the books that you want to read, and for our kids to go to school without having to worry about the next mass shooting. This election could determine not only if we keep these freedoms, but if the U.S. remains a democracy or if we slide into fascism. As a graduate of the United States Army Ranger School, I had never backed down from a challenge, and I'm not going to sit on the sidelines now. Defending individual liberties, like the freedom to choose, like marriage equality, are non-negotiables for any Democratic candidate. If I have the honor of serving you in Congress, I will fight to enshrine these protections into federal law. I'll stand up to the gun lobby to pass common sense gun safety measures that will keep our children, including my two sons, safer. I'll take on the big oil, drug company, and grocery chain CEOs who are gouging working families with higher prices. And I'll make sure that our state receives the much-needed funding to combat wildfires that have become all too common. I will bring with me the experience as a nonprofit leader to work on both sides of the aisle to implement policies that support working families, that address homelessness, housing instability, and affordability. I'll focus on defending, expanding, and improving the Affordable Care Act to expand healthcare access and to bring down costs. I will have the courage to stand up to MAGA extremists and defend our shared values. That is what our country needs at this critical moment. That's the representation we need and deserve in Congress. This district has never been more ready for Democratic leadership. We have a real chance to flip this seat, and I know with your help, we will. I'm Joe Reed.
Thank you.